Hey guys, this is Hetu and welcome back to etlqalabs. So guys, we are going to start this series, which will be MCQ series, multiple choice question series, right? So what we will do is, as part of this series is, we will bring every day one video, and in this video we will be covering five different questions, right? And we will also cover the question and answer, basically answer. So I will also give you some time. You can actually pause the video and you can guess the answer of each of this question, and then after that I'll telling you the answers also, right? And last question, which will be the sixth question, right? And that is basically for you to answer. Okay, so you have to basically answer the right answer. Okay, and you have to comment in the video, basically, right? What do you think based on your understanding? Okay, what should be the answer for that particular question, the sixth question, which will be at the end of this video. All right, so we will be going to cover almost every topic in ETL testing. Okay, so this is going to be very long series. All right, so every day, like I'll be bringing it up. So if you have not subscribed this channel, I would say that you subscribe it and also hit the bell notification, right? And this is kind of going to be a small video, as I say, five questions, right? This is very going to be very helpful for you to revise the concept that you have learned, and if you have not learned, you are new to the ETL testing also, it is going to be very helpful for you to basically understand, right? So yeah, so we'll be covering almost everything. So as I said, you also kind of share with your friends and also hit the bell notification so you get this kind of video, the notification as I upload the video. All right. So let's start with any further ado, right? So the first question is, what is data warehouse, right? So there are four answers, guys. First one is a software tool for data visualization. Second one, a collection of data for transactional processing. Third one, a database used for online transaction processing, which is OLTP. And fourth one is the D is a repository of current and historical data for analysis and reporting purpose. What do you think, guys? What should be the right answer for this? All right, so let's see the answer basically. Okay, so answer is D, right? A repository of current and historical data for analysis and reporting purpose, basically. All right, let's go to the second question, guys. What is primary purpose of a data mart? All right, so answer A, to option A, basically to store transactional data. Option B, to replace data warehouse. Option C, to provide a subset of data from data warehouse for a specific business line. Option D, to handle large amount of data. What do you think is a data mart, right? Okay, I think you guess it right, right? So answer C is the correct answer. Basically, option C is correct answer, to provide a subset of data from data warehouse for a specific business line, because data mart is basically subset of the data warehouse, right? All right, so multiple data marts can make a big data warehouse, right? So that we already have learned in the data warehousing session. So this is the right answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. The next question is, which is not a characteristics of a data warehouse? All right, so option A, integrated. Option B, subject oriented. Option C, real time updates. Option D, non volatile. Okay, so what do you think? You can take a pause. All right, so let's see the answer basically. Okay, so what it says, that which is not a characteristics of data warehouse. Okay, so one of them is not a characteristics, other are the characteristics of data warehouse. So let's see the answer. So answer is C, which is real time updates, right? So that's right answer, because uh, in data warehouse we do not do the real time updates, right? Data warehouse is basically for the analysis and transaction purpose, so which is OLAP, not OLTP. All right, so this is the right answer. All right, let's go to the next question. Question number 4, what does ETL stands for? I think this is fairly easy to answer. Okay, first option A, extract transform load, extract transfer load. Option B, extract transform load. Option C, extract translate load. Option D, extract translate link. Okay, so you can guess it. Okay, let's see the answer basically. Okay, so answer is extract transfer load. No, this is wrong answer. Okay, extract transform, guys. Extract transform load. I think this is copy paste error. Extract transform load, which is basically option number B, right? Is the right answer. All right. Transform. This should be transform. All right. No worries. Now let's go to the next question. Next question is what is star schema, right? What is star schema, right? Now option A security protocol for data warehouse. Option B, a data transformation tool. C, a type of data warehouse schema with a central fact table surrounded by dimension tables. Option D, a complex database model. What do you think as per you? I think you guess it right. Okay. So let's see the answer. Answer is C, a type of data warehouse schema with a central fact table surrounded by dimension tables. So this is basically the star. This is the star schema, right? Where one fact table is in the middle and there are a lot of dimension tables basically surrounding to this, and which makes a star kind of shape, right? We have learned this, right? So you can if you want to know more about it, you can actually go to data warehousing kind of playlist and you can learn about it. I can put in the maybe I'll put in the uh, information section of it, right? So you can watch that playlist as well. All right. So that's all for this. And the last question, guys, this is for you, right? Basically, this is not fifth, this is sixth question. Okay. So which one is not an ETL tool? Okay, so this is for you to answer and comment on the video, guys. Okay, so first option is Informatica. Second, B option B is Microsoft SQL Server Integration Services. All right, this is services. This is SSIS. And option C is Apache Hadoop. Option D is Talend. Okay. What do you think is the right answer? Which one is not an ETL tool? So there will be one of this which is not an ETL tool. Remaining are the ETL tool, guys. Okay. So you have to tell me which one is not an ETL tool and comment in the video. All right. I'll see you soon. I will see you tomorrow, in fact, with the another MCQ video. All right. Until then, I'll see you soon and um, happy learning. God bless you. Bye.